Please repeat each sentence that you hear. For example, a voice says,
Leave town on the next train.
and you say,
Leave town on the next train.
Hello there. What are you waiting for?
From the dining room, there's a beautiful view of the bay.
Several people in our department live in that town.
We need to save a place for Larry.
If you forget your password, click on the red button.
I'd rather buy the cheaper tickets this time. Not everyone feels the way that you do.
It's difficult to find the facts I need for this report.
Although I didn't have any money, I went in and looked around.
If your computer doesn't have enough memory, the program will run slowly.
Who do you want to speak to? Occasionally, calls are monitored for training purposes. One month's rent is required as a security deposit.
What that house needs is a new coat of paint.
Traveling is exciting, but it costs a lot of money.
I must have the wrong number.
It's good to be here again.
This report isn't very easy to read.
Do you have paint for a large bill? We have a conference call planned for Monday afternoon. Do you have final written approval for the project?
The boss wants to see you immediately.
Classes are available in reading, writing, and mathematics.